This demonstration will go through a series of steps you need to complete to set up your database for your business. Each business is different, and as a result, our software lets you set up the database for your individual needs. There are two aspects to your database that you need to set up. The first is custom fields, which is the information that you want to store on each contact. The second is the subscription groups that are used to organize your contacts into useful segments. Custom fields can be anything from the contact's birthday to their address, and what you collect is entirely up to you. Adding custom fields is easy. Click on the Settings link in the top right-hand corner of the screen, and then on the Contact Database tab on the left. In here, you will see the list of default fields that each account needs, including the first name, last name, email address, the mobile number for SMS campaigns, and the password field for integrations with your website. To add a new field, click on the Add Custom Field button at the top left of the list. Give the field a label and then choose the type. There are 6 to choose from, including a small text field. This would be used for fields such as a company name. Large text fields, on the other hand, are useful for storing notes on clients or descriptions of their business. Single select fields are drop-downs, such as the contact's country or gender. Multi-select fields are used when more than one value can be recorded against their details, like product types this client may be interested in, dates for storing birthdays or anniversaries, and a file field, most commonly used for adding pictures or files for each contact. The next field is Visible to Contact, allows your contacts to see what information is stored against them in this field, and also gives them the ability to change it. There is a link on each email you send them that takes them to an area where they can edit this information themselves. Sometimes you don't want the contact to see this field, like when you classify your clients into A, B, and C clients according to how good a client they are. In this case, you would set the value to No. You can set whether the field is required or not. Once you've clicked on Save, you will notice that it has been added to the list of custom fields. You can now sort these fields by dragging them into a more useful order. Don't forget to click on Save Sort Order once you are done. To organise our database into segments, we need to create subscription groups. Subscription groups are useful as they allow you to easily segment contacts into groups that shouldn't necessarily receive the same communication from you. For instance, you may want to set up groups like suppliers, resellers, clients, and leads, and then treat these groups differently when sending out email campaigns or triggers. To create a new group, click on Subscription Groups and then Add Group. Give the group a name, and then, like visible contact fields, you can choose whether a contact can remove themselves from a specific group. For instance, you may create a public newsletter group that the contact wants to stay in, but they don't want to receive the weekly tips. Give the group a colour to make them easy to identify, and click Save. You'll notice on this screen that you can actually see how many contacts are subscribed to a group at any one time. You are now ready to start adding contacts to your database.